guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install a wireless parking sensor. Let's do it. Okay guys, today we're gonna install a wireless parking sensor. This one is amazing, but let's open it first, okay? Let's do it. Okay, this is the FenSens wireless parking sensor. This one is amazing because you don't have to drill holes and put wires or anything. You only need the frame, license plate frame, and your smartphone. Okay, and this one will work for iPhone and Android. Okay, iOS and Android. So let's open the box. Okay, I have the instructions here. You have to scan this code to download the app. Put this. I think you have to put this button on your dashboard somewhere there and launch the app on your smartphone. Okay. This is the frame. You can see it. Those are the sensors. It has two sensors. The brand. This is the button. Okay. What is this? Oh, to put your smartphone on the vent. But I already have one, but it's good that now I'm gonna have two. This for the it comes with the screws. What is this? Oh, the batteries. It needs batteries. I think this is battery for the button and some tools. Okay, that's it. So let's install it on the car. This cover, it has clips, so be careful when are you removing this. Be careful not to break the clips for the cover, okay? Okay, now it's there, and let me see which screws are gonna go there, so I don't know which one. Mine is like a longer. Yeah, this one. This is the one, but it has that thing. Okay. It has this kind of screws. These are very good because nobody's gonna steal, but you will need to get a special, like Allen wrench with a, let me see if I can see it. So nobody's gonna steal it, but you will need to get this tool, this that goes in here, because I don't see it here. Okay, I found the tool. It's this one. I don't know if you can see it. It says it's a T20, but I don't know if it's a T20 or T25. So, but that's the one it fits here. Okay, cool. So let's put it on the trunk. Now let's download the app. I don't have a QR code reader, so I have to use this one. Okay. It's this one. Who's this one? So now it's downloading the app. Okay, I got the app. So let me see it. Oh, right there. So now let's test this thing. I'm excited. I think I should put this one here. Oh, I think it's better to put it here. Yes. I'm gonna put it there. Okay. So it says if I press this button, the app will come on, but I don't know if I have to like pair first the phone, this one. Okay. Only while using app. Notifications. No, thank you. Okay, you will have to create an account. Let me create an account and I'll continue with the need to configure first. Okay, I need to configure the parking sensor first. Then okay, welcome. Get started. Only on the rear. Oh, okay, you can put it on the front too, but the only thing I don't like to have that big thing on my front bumper. But if this one will work for your bumper, you can put it on the front. You can put it on the front bumper and the rear bumper. Okay, let's go next. So install it, I already did. And then measure the space to the edge of the car. Oh, in inches. Okay. I'm gonna put like 3 inches. I think. Okay. Next. Already logged into that thing. So let's test this thing, okay? Okay, one thing. Okay, I'm doing something wrong here because let me close this one. Okay. I think this one's supposed to let me lock my phone, maybe. Okay, I don't know why that one is not working. I'm doing something wrong. So I have to go to my phone, put the app, open. Okay, so let's test it. Now this one all set. You can see it on the camera. I hope you can see it. Yeah. So let's go. Oh, sorry, parking brake. Okay guys, I found the way how to use the tap button. Now I know why it wasn't working. So you have to open the app and then go, well, this not yet. Go to the settings in here and then manage device, and right here you can see tap buttons, and then you have to press this one for 5 seconds, and then it will detect the button, and after you it detects the button, now you can use it. Okay, so okay guys, that's the FenSens parking sensor. Okay, this one is very nice. Okay, but the big question is, do I really need a parking sensor? And for my opinion, this one is for those that the car doesn't come with sensors, parking sensors, okay? And sometimes when you're like me, when I'm at night and on a parking lot that is very dark, even with the camera, it's very hard to see the walls or the like a poles. They will have poles on the rear. It's hard to see. But with this one, it's super easy. You can see the beep. It will beep if you put it with the stereo. And if the stereo is off, you can use only the app, okay? But the only downside, you have to open the app. But the app is super cool, very good. They make it real nice and easy to use. You only have to open the app and it will open the sensor, like the lines you can see over there. This is $150. I'm gonna put the link on the description of the video, okay? You can get it at Amazon or at their website. So I'm gonna put both links on the description of the video, okay? But let me know what you guys think, okay? What do you think about the parking sensor? For me, it's amazing. Now I have a parking sensor, but put in the comments, what do you think, okay? And also, if you like the video, please like the video. And if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one, okay? And see you on the next video.